Hello, hello everyone. I have a toast black stone. This two black stone is black hematite. Black hematite is also an iron ore. This is magnetic stone, and they use this for a hot stone massage. And they also use this for jewelry testing. They will scratch the jewelry here, then put the acid to test if your jewelry is real gold or not. This tosto. This is iron ore, black hematite, magnetic. And you can also use this. You will cut this and then form into kabutsun. Make a jewelry stone like pendant, ring, bracelet. This is also used for gemstone. Ito ay isang black hematite. Ginagamit po ito sa hot stone massage, saka ginagamit sa pagtwisting ng mga jewelry. Kiss dito, tapos lagyan ng asido. Pag tunay na ginto yung jewelry mo, hindi matatanggal, hindi malulusaw yung kinikis-kis dyan na ginto. Black hematite ay isa ring iron ore. Ibig sabihin, ginagawang bakal. Magnetic po ito. So maraming salamat. That's all. Thank you.